All right, I gotta get out of this wind, so I'm gonna hike into the woods over here, but I gotta go down this steep hill. We're gonna throw my bag down first and see how that goes. This might go really bad. Let's see. All right, that's working out decently. It's gonna go all the way. Let's go. Hopefully you can still see my bag. It's all the way down there now. That actually worked out perfect. All right, now it's my turn. Let's do this. Ooh. Woohoo! Oh my God. There's my bag. Perfect. Now I just gotta find a good place to set up camp. Oh, it holds me. Nice. This is gonna be my bed right here, and I'm making it off the ground so the snow just doesn't suck the heat out of my body. Last episode I made a shelter and I made my bed right on the ground, and yeah, I got a little cold at night. So this should be a lot better, and I'll have the fire right here so the heat will be going up on me better. Luckily for me, I found this old cut up tree on the way in here, so I'm gonna use this for my shelter. But I gotta carry it a really long ways back to my shelter. Oh, this is gonna be rough. Shelter is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and make a little fire. We got some salmon for dinner tonight. Salmon's almost done and my water is completely boiled. There's a couple of floaties in there, but well, I'm gonna put the camera down and go ahead and eat this. All right guys, I'm done with dinner and I'm gonna go to sleep. It's getting late and I'm pretty tired. Oh, toe cramp. Bad toe cramp. Oh my god. Toe cramp, toe cramp. Woo. Oh, it's back. Oh my god. Alright guys, I got my sleeping bag out. I'm almost ready for bed. My pants are a little wet and my socks are a little wet, so I'm just going to dry them out before I go to sleep. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. I'm going to go ahead and take down my shelter. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk back to my truck. I slept about 4 hours last night, which is pretty good if you consider what I was sleeping on. I'm just hoping that I don't have what happened last episode when I was doing my outro and someone started shining a flashlight at me and just stood there staring at me and didn't say anything to me. It was really weird. But yeah guys, I'm freezing. I'm gonna get back to my truck. Thank you guys for watching the video.